Earnhardt has a problem. The car is down low on the racetrack. Slow down the backstretch.
He hit the wall coming off turn 2 on the very first lap. And Earnhardt, they're carrying him to the truck.
No one on the crew seems to know what's wrong, but when Dale hit the wall, he stayed out there, and on the radio he kept telling them, oh, I can't find my way onto pit road. Richard, how is Dale?
Well, he's stable. He kind of started. I talked to him for just a minute. He was seeing double. He was a little real groggy before the race started in his voice. We were going to try to get him in before the race ever started, and he didn't hear us. He couldn't communicate with us, and so we're going to go see, and that's all I can tell you at this time.
We'll be transported to another hospital, right, for further evaluation.
They're transporting to the hospital now, and that's where I'm headed.
And Mike Dillon getting in the car to run some laps the rest of this race, maybe?
I don't even know who's getting it. I'm worried about Dale.
You know, things happen to you in your career and your life, and you know, the one thing that concerned me was my dad died of a heart attack, and I've been, you know, concerned about my health and what I may or may not be able to do from here on. You know, it came up all negative, and I'm healthy, and so, you know, they've released me to race, and which is great. But the greatest thing is that I'm pretty confident in myself that it's not going to happen again, or I'm you know, got anything wrong with me. So they did everything they, you know, could do, and well, they didn't check me to see if I was pregnant, but everything else they did. So